A renowned modern artist has given new life to a historic mansion that had fallen on hard times. The Woolworth Mansion in Scranton, Pennsylvania, was built in 1910 for Charles Sumner Woolworth, co-founder of the drugstore chain. When neoexpressionist painter Hunt Slonem bought the grand property in 2015, he says it was a train wreck. After a 5-year restoration, he's selling the home for $1.35 million. The property's exterior still boasts the classic stonework of its period, and the inside has been meticulously restored based on old photos of the estate. The 8,333 square foot mansion has 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, plus 5 marble fireplaces, a basement, and wood floors throughout. The artist's touch is clear in the use of bright colors on the walls, which complement the paintings, including his own. But there's one exception. The mottled plaster of the grand hallway is deliberately untouched. It resembles a French chateau of the 1700s. The property also offers a 3,000 square foot carriage house that could be ideal as an art studio or entertainment venue. The views of the older homes surrounding it are, like the estate itself, picture perfect.